For our Pasig River Report, Kapit Bisig para sa Ilog Pasig continues its drive to minimize solid waste pollution at source and promote recycling of used materials by launching its fourth materials recovery facility at Baseco, Manila. Known to be a highly populated and depressed area, Baseco, with close to 70,000 residents, contributes a significant amount of garbage to Manila Bay and consequently the Pasig River.
Pang-apat lang ito sa Metro Manila, and the ABS-CBN Foundation plans to set up mga 30 more. We'll be with them all the way.
A first in the Baseco compound, the materials recovery facility gives the community a chance to process household wastes to become useful materials. Communal toilets were also installed within the MRF site to cater to almost half of the population who has no decent toilets.
Ang mga tao dito, nung unang dating ko, nakita ko na kung hindi nila naaabutan yung pagruta ng garbage collector, diretso nilang tinatapon sa Manila Bay at saka sa Pasig River.
With your help, the river will flow with life again. Be updated with our progress on the Pasig River cleanup on the Pasig River Reports.